everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Cristiano Ronaldo getting ready to kick a soccer ball. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Ronaldo, let's begin by making the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a small little line that's just going to curve down like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line back a little bit. And then I'm going to color in a little dot right there. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down a little bit for his eyebrow. And I'm going to color this in just a little bit darker. Now, starting here, I'm going to curve this line out, and then we're going to go up for like his forehead. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to curve it back for his nose. Then I'll make a little line that curves around. Next, I'm going to make a little line that comes down. And then we're going to make a line that curves back here for his mouth. Then I'm going to bring this line back and around for his lips. Then I'm going to bring this down and then curve it back here for his chin. Now, starting here, we're going to bring this line down, kind of where his jaw and like his neck meet. And then we're going to bring this line up a little bit, just kind of show where the jaw is. Right here, I'm going to curve this line around for his ear, and I'll put a little line inside of there too. Now, starting up here, I want to work on his hair. So I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to make some kind of like little pointed lines. They're just going to come back to about here. And then I'm going to curve this in. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line back here. Now I'm going to make some little broken lines that kind of come down here towards the ear. And I'll make some more right over here. Then I'm going to make a few more little lines right over here, with a couple little broken lines in here. I'm going to make a little curved line there. And then a little line or two right over here by his face. I'll also make a little line right there. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down, and we're going to go right up here for the shirt. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then in for the chest. Make another line that goes out and then in. Then we'll make a little line that's going to come down, and then we're going to curve it up for the shirt. Make it come down and then back out here. And then right up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then in. Kind of where his shoulder and his arm's going to be kind of behind here. Now, up here, I'm going to bring a little line that's going to come out. I'll make another line that's going to come up and down here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and we're going to bring it to around here. We'll make a little curved line. We're going to bring it out and up. And then we're going to bring this around and then into here. Make a couple more little lines here. Then we'll make a little line that's going to come down and in. We'll add a couple little curved lines. They're just going to come down here for like the shirt. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out. We're going to come up and then back for kind of like the little collar on the edge of the sleeve. And then let's make his hand. To start off with the thumb, we're going to go down. We're going to bring this up, and then we're just going to bring it back around here. And then we're going to bring this right up to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come around. I'm going to go up and then back for one of his fingers. We'll make another one that kind of does that same thing. We're going to run it right to here. And then we'll make one more right here that just kind of curves back. Now, starting here, we want to make the shorts. So I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve in. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come down to here. Then we're going to curve this in a little bit. And then we're going to come out here, kind of where the knee would be. I'm going to bring this line down. And then right here, I'm just going to curve it around, kind of show where like the shoe would start. We're going to bring this up, and then we're going to come out and then in. And then we're going to go up to here. Now, starting right about here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around. And then we're going to start here. We're going to bring this back around. We're going to bring this line up and then kind of come right up to here. And then right down here, we're going to make the shoe. So I'm going to begin by making a little line that's going to curve around. We're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come out to here. We're going to curve it up, and then just kind of bring it around here. Now we're going to put his other leg back here. So to draw the other leg, we're just going to come down, and then we're going to bring it up here. I want to bring it right to about here. Then we're going to draw the back of the leg here. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to come up and then down over to here. Let's curve this line. Then we're going to make this shoe. So we'll start by making a little curved line around. And then I'm going to come down. We're going to curve it, make a couple curves like this. I'm going to bring this back and then down here. And then we're going to make a little curved line right here for the bottom of the shoe. Now, right over here, kind of by the tip of this foot, we want to make the soccer ball. So like he's kind of like got it guiding it here, and then he's going to kick it with this leg. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make a circle shape for the soccer ball right here. Now we got some more details to add. So right here, kind of like close to where his knee is going to be, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve down. They'll make another little line here. And then we'll add a couple little lines right on here with another two inside here for some more detail. I'm going to add some little points at the bottom of the cleats here. And then a couple little lines coming right around here. Now over here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up and then over here for that part of the shorts. And also add a couple little details for the muscles on the leg. Now over here, I'm going to draw a couple little curved lines here. And then we'll do 2 lines here with 2 lines really close together in there. I'll add some little broken lines here, and then we'll put some more little spikes for cleats on here. Now I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up here, and then another one here. And then we'll draw a line across, and we'll add a couple more little lines in here. We're going to add a little design right here. And then we're going to make some little broken lines, and we're going to add just some extra little detail lines, kind of where the shorts would be. We're going to add some little detail lines on here too. I'm going to add some little rectangle shapes right in here just to kind of show where there are some stripes. And I'm going to make some little line details coming down the sleeves. And then I'm going to put some coming right over here on the shirt too. Then I'm going to make a little line that comes across here like where the writing would be. And then we'll put a little kind of circle up here for the logo. And then over here on the soccer ball, I'm just going to add some little details on here, kind of like some little V shapes, just to show some kind of different little details on here. We'll add another little detail kind of right here on the shoe, and a few more over here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Ronaldo getting ready to kick a soccer ball. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.